uzoshaya iphathi yami mina lapha. Okay, ungangixofi ingoma selokishini.
Okay. Let's try it. I'm gonna play that one with the one that you're gonna record.
One more line. Kwaphinde kwa umatrasi nakamachimbosi enzuma mumfelokazi. No. Okay. Go like this. Kwaphinde kwa umatrasi nakamachimbosi enzuma mumfelokazi. Here we go. Yeah. Happens all the time. Kwaphinde kwa umatrasi nakamachimbosi enzuma mumfelokazi. Wakaba waphalasikazi. King me pop from keep.
Uzanayo, Spy.
Okay. Your turn. Let's go. Good luck. Wow.
On a flat note. Don't cry. Don't cry. You know what I want you to do? I want you to harmonize it for me. La la la. Don't cry.
Bafowethu, manje it's finally mwah! It's sounding like a song, but I think we have the first artist on a genre of music which we can call quite opera. Please send me an autograph. I'm getting the first autograph. Come this side. It's nice.
Uzona makafika ekseni bengazi ukuthi mina kuzoyenzakala namhlanje nami nje i-surprise lena ngithole manje because I didn't have an idea ukuthi kwenzizoyenzakala namhlanje, so I'm very happy, I'm ecstatic, I'm excited, you know, I don't have words to describe how I feel. So yeah, bengazi bengana idea, so yeah, nasekhaya bazojabula nje babangeza lezi indaba ezinani. So
Bafowethu, we're done vandag, it's day 2. I must say ukuthi I'm absolutely incredibly comfortable. Please tell me you're fine.
Excellent.
She's excellent. The project is absolutely wonderful. So manje, I'm just hoping Nguti, the family and friends and probably the public will enjoy it. And if those people approve of it, what I want to do is I'm actually going to put it in my next album.
Wow.